Hi, this is Joan-Marie Domino, and I'm here with another pile of brand new napkins from Vippies Designs Decoupage Napkin Shop, www.vippies.com. They just added a bunch of bees and a bunch of lemon designs. And what do we do with them? We take our Mod Podge decoupage glue and we adhere them to different objects and create things like this little flower pocket. I just did that, and I have a video for that. And with my hauls, I like to do a little project, or sometimes I have a little bit of a shopping spree with little items I want to share with you. You don't want to miss any of these hauls or any of my DIYs, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. Give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, visit me on my Facebook page, and you know what? Vippies Designs has a Facebook page. Okay, here are the newest napkins. I'm going to start with this one, beautiful light pink colors, and it's printed right over the fold, and we always like that. And guess what? You get two. The next one is beautiful lemons. You saw that one in the beginning with that pink background, and you open it up, the print goes all the way across, and that's right, you get two. And look what I did. I just want to give you a little peek. That's what I did the video on. There it is. I just did that DIY. You learn how to do that, and then you can make one just like this. It's the same technique. I just used a different napkin. Another beautiful lemon. The lemon slices look so refreshing, doesn't it? You open it, and of course, the design goes all the way across. We always love that. Now we have some bees. Look how cute that is. And this is like an all-over pattern napkin. I'm going to open it up, and you can see it goes right across the napkin. Then we have this one. It says, "Don't worry, be happy." That's printed on 2 panels, and that is from Ray Dunn. Beautiful napkin. Here's another one, and this one is printed on all 4 panels. Says honey on it, and you know what? You get 2 of those. The next up is another pattern bee. This is more of a gold than what you're seeing in the video. So I would say think more golden color. Be yourself. Look how cute that is. And let's see. Oh, that opens a little bit differently. All 4 panels are printed. And yes, you get 2 of those. Here's another beautiful, I would say almost like a wallpaper print with the bees that go all the way across. So all 4 panels are printed. Here's another one with the bee, and it says Paris there. I love that. And you know what? You get 2 of them. Another bee, well, I said there's a lot of bees, but this one, when you open it up, the bee is on one print, and then you have stripes that go onto the other 3 panels. And you know what? You get 2 of those. Here's another one. This is one of my favorites. It's Sweet Bee Honey Farm. And when you open it, all 4 panels are printed. Now we're into our long napkins. I'm going to open this one up, and you can see the entire napkin is printed. It says "Be kind" on both sides, but the bees go all the way across. Look how pretty that is. So many good projects you could do with the bees. Oh, and by the way, you get 2. Here's another one that matched our smaller size napkin. This one opens up to create one continuous pattern as well. All right, this one, very elegant. It has honeycombs and bees and like floral prints, really pretty. And all 6 panels, I believe. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all are printed. Now back to some lemons. Look at this. Look at that yellow gingham that runs down both sides. That is so pretty, and it opens up to a continuous print. Love that gingham. Another lemon one, and this one just screams vintage to me with that beautiful blue and those different shades of yellow. I'm going to open it all up, and you can see it's printed on all 6 panels. What a beautiful selection of lemons and bee napkins from Vippies Designs. I'm going to take a little break from Vippies Designs and show you some of the items I picked up on my shopping trip to the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start with these tiny little die cuts that come in these little boxes. Each box has 9 sections, and I believe you get 3 of each of those little die cuts. They're so cute. Now, Shore Living, I believe, is a new line that they are carrying at the Dollar Tree. These are some fish. They have little clothespins on the back. They also had whales. I love the whales. They're really, really cute. They've got the clothespins on the back, too. Now, I see they have also from Shore Living some new die cuts. I really like that seahorse, and of course, we're going to have nautical, we have to have boats. And in addition to boats, we're going to also have anchors. I just love them. They're so cute. And these are my favorites. These are little mermaid die cuts, and they also have a little clip on the back. Well, I was happy to share my things from the Dollar Tree. Now back to Vippies Designs. These are beautiful new napkins from Vippies Designs, and I'm going to be back in a few days with more new napkins, but they have lots and lots of napkins. Visit their website, www.vippies.com. And what do we do with these beautiful napkins? We use our Mod Podge to create beautiful little decor like that. That little piece of decor that I'm showing you there, yes, that is a DIY that you can find on my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. You can also go onto Facebook. I have a Facebook group page and I have an artist page as well. And don't forget, Vippies Designs also has a Facebook page.